Hi everyone, my name is T. At some point in your life, you might wonder yourself, what should I study? And one day your kids might come to ask you the same question. So how would you answer that question? What is the best skill to learn? And this is exactly the questions I try to answer for 80,000 Hours. It's an online nonprofit organization that helps career service. So the problem is to rank 35 skills from US Department of Labor according to the value. And the value here is not just about the money, it's also job satisfaction and so on. The deliverable is going to be the score for each skill and also the ranking that will be published in the website of 80,000 Hours. So let me show you how the deliverable look like. So this is the website that I built for them. And if you scroll down here, you're gonna see the ranking and the ranking here on the left-hand side, it shows that the top skills are judgment and decision-making, critical thinking, and so on. For each skills, there's an overall score, which is an average score of income, satisfaction, security, and learnability, which is how easy it is to learn. You can explore more on different skills. And also there are many interesting insights and interactive plots. So yeah, feel free to check it out afterwards. Now let's go back to the slides and see how I come up with the idea of this score. Okay. So I collect data from US Department of Labor relating occupations and skills. And these numbers represent how a skill importance to occupation. I also gather data relating occupations and different outcomes, including wage, satisfaction, and risk of automation. Then I can combine these two data sets, join them together, and perform a median regression, which is a form of regression that's robust against outliers. I extract the coefficients relating, for example, in this example, skills and wage. These coefficients tell us how wage change once someone acquired a skill. I extract those coefficients and scale it and represent it as a score in one dimension. Again, the overall score is just the average of all 4 dimensions. Now, you might say that this kind of scoring system is subjective. It's true, but at least we can do some sanity check to see if it works or not. And we can do it in 2 ways. Check with the data that we already have and check with the other rankings. But for now, I will show you the way we check with the internal data. So for example, here, this is the data of outcomes. And it is difficult to justify which job is better. Here, for example, B has a higher wage, but a lower satisfaction. So it's equivocal. But in some cases, there are about 1,000 pairs of occupations that you can safely say that one job is better than another. We can use this as a tool to sanity check our results. Once we compute the scores of occupations, we saw the similar relationships, and these scores can be computed from the score of skills. Now, you might wonder still, what should I tell my kids to learn? So this is the key message. If you compare the skills, the top skills and the worst skills, you can see that the top skills tend to be the skills that relate yourself, others, and the task together. Even though it is difficult to learn, you tend to get a higher income, higher security, and slightly higher satisfaction. So the best lesson here is that you keep trying difficult things, try to put yourself in the situation where you can exercise decision-making and also thinking of other people. That might be the reason why we do data science. Again, my name is T. I built a predictive model for solar power and also explore education data. My name is T, come from the Chinese word, which means boy. And my parents might run out of idea, but I like this name because even though I grow up, I still be a kid, love to learn. Thank you.
That was about 4 minutes, 45 seconds.
Okay.